my app is called I'm Celine. My app is called Study Buddy, and it's meant to enhance your in-class participation experience and also help you find study groups. So we can log in or sign up. Okay, so there are a few different parts to this app. You can participate, view class information, and view all study groups. For participation, it uses sockets. I'm going to log in on my phone because, unfortunately, I can't have 2 iOS simulators. So if you click Participate, here you can see Repeat, Explain, and give an example. When you click these 3, it'll go to the professor's view, which looks like this. This is just a screenshot, but this will, these numbers will increase as these are clicked. You can also type a question here, be like, I need help. Send, and it'll pop up here for the professor as well. You can also view class information. It'll show you the roster of everyone in your class. You can create a new study group, generate a random study group, or view all study groups. You can see here, if we click View All Study Groups, you'll see someone listed a topic, their name, and how you can contact them if you want to review that as well. So if you create a study group, be like, I want to review React. My name is Celine. That will be right there. If you click Generate a Random Group, it'll randomly pick 3 people that you should study with. And then the last thing you can do is view a library map. So right now, this is just for Columbia, but I pinpointed some of my favorite libraries. You can click on them and see the name. And yeah, that's my Stackathon. Thank you.